Right, Corrado's in the shop because we're gonna do the lifters today, which is I have here all new lifters from Eurotuning. I soaked them with oil overnight already, so it's been 24 hours. So it's about time to start tearing this thing apart and replace the crazy bad lifters. I think there's 2 or 1 bad there. It's not holding pressure anymore, so it's always making ticking sound at idle. So, but here we go. The shop is quiet. This car has been here for a little while, but it's time to knock this thing and get it ready. All right, finally I'm alone here at the shop. I got the music going there, some acoustic from Joe. So now let me just lock the gate because I'm alone here to work on my car. I'm just gonna check if the door is locked. Awesome. So let's close the door and call it a day. Alright, so we got this rock and roll going here. It's only myself left, and we gotta get that VR6 fixed today. So now it's time to time the motor. Alright, everything is off. Cam gear, sprocket. Now we just undo the camshaft, put the knee lifter on, put everything back, and that's the next step. Alright, the intake is out, the camshaft is there. Now intake a new one. Alright, so it's in there, and now it's a matter of time of torquing the cam and torquing the sprocket. Make sure you don't forget that. Put the cover on and call it a day, but still a couple, maybe an hour and 20 minutes to go until I finish everything. Let's torque the camshaft sprocket, the camshaft cap. Here we go. And those are 20 or 15 pounds, so usually I like going between like 18 pounds or 16 pounds, and that's my sweet spot right there. And it's torque, 74 foot-pound of torque. Maybe fine. Valve cover is in. Over here is nice and clean. All the bolts are in. I just put the temp sensor in there. Now it's time to put back this thing, the auxiliary pump, the after run, and moving slowly. Alright, a few steps closer. It's just a matter of putting that pipe and the cover and the coil pack. And what time is it? It's 8:30, so I've been busting there for like 3 hours and a half. So we should be good to go now soon. Let's put the gauge on, I mean the dipstick. Everything is connected, just the engine cover and the pipe and the coil pack left. No more bolts around. We are pretty clear to go and first start. I can't wait. Alright, it's 5 minutes away from first start. Put in the plug and first start, and button up like one more bolt maybe. Alright guys, so it's all messy, but I think we are good to go for the first start. Everything plugged in, water meth, flower cable, and coil pack. Let's just give it the first start. It's gonna make some noise because the lifter is not fully pumped with oil yet, but let's see what's going on. 10 minutes hopefully, but I can clean my tools and be out of here. It's 8:45. I start at 5 sharp, so it's been a couple hours, almost 4 hours, but I wanted to make sure everything is safe and fine. All right, it is the next day and cold start on a quiet lifters. Finally, guys, look at that, so quiet. Well, on today's video we are going to change the oil finally. All cleaned up and looking pretty. Ooh, she looks so damn good. She's ready for the show tomorrow. Actually, first time ever we're gonna attend a show in Pensacola. It's like those charity show events, Christmas car show event at the Buick and Cadillac dealership, and I went and gave her a quick wash. I think I'm just gonna polish the wood quick. I have my polishing kit there, and I'm just gonna polish the hood, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. And also, guess what I noticed, guys? A little bit of tiny scratch here. I don't know where did that came from, but pissed me off. Even though I can do a small, very small touch up, pissed me off that I don't recall where they get that scratch from. So That's another headache, another day, but I can do a touch-up quick tomorrow before the car show, and that's about it. So I'm gonna polish the wood, see if I have a little time doing it, and we call it a day.